But basically what I'm gonna do is, I'm not sure, I can't remember when I did this. It didn't count how big I made it.
Nice. Details, whatever.
Figure it out when I do it again. So
far we get 2 big ones and 2.
I'm pretty sure I had like 6 of these big ones.
Okay.
5 or 6 of them.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you very much.
So
what's really nice is you just use the cutter and then just go the rest of the way through. I have my serrated knife here, so you just go the rest of the way through it. They cut really simple.
Oh, you want me to hold that corner for you?
Oh God, just to keep his mouth busy.
Okay.
That'll keep him busy for a little while at least.
So now we're going to cook some brownies. You say this is a mix, do you?
It is a mix, and it's got chocolate chips in it. Normally, I don't do mixes with chocolate. They're perfect to eat. Chocolate chips in the mix make brownies, make them. But boy, when you're cutting them, then you got to try and cut through those suckers. It's tough.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah. So anyway.
So these are good because they're breakfast brownies.
Yeah.
They are right now.
They are now. So we are cutting our brownies. Okay, I'm also not putting a filling between these.
Why not?
You can, believe me, chocolate frosting, that is the way to go. But I'm not, because they're going to stick anyway. So.
Okay. So yeah, because brownies have a little stick-em. I think that's the
They're
official
chewy.
term.
They're chewy brownies.
They're chewy, and they have a natural, what is that? Adherence?
Glue.
Yeah, they have brownie glue. That's what it is, brownie glue. So you can kind of squish them together a little bit, and still keep the form, keep the shape. So that's 3 of the larger. That's 3. Cutter. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, how fun.
Yeah.
And tasty. Not that you can hear it in my voice or anything.
Not that you can tell he's chewing on them.
No, I would never speak and chew at the same time. That would be rude.
So anyways, yeah, I want to do something other than cake. Brownies are great. Like I said, they're nice and firm, so they're a little easier, I think, to work with than actual cake. So. Oops, see, I did break that one, but it's no big deal. I actually think I'm only using 2 of these anyway. Okay, so as you can see, I need to get that on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut so we can get that attached. So I'm just going to take a chunk out here so that I can put it in.
I
see how it fits beautifully?
Look at that.
And look, I got an extra piece.
Oh, thanks. No, it's not.
I'm going to have to keep a couple of these, I'm afraid.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Whatever.
Yeah. You have to sacrifice for the art.
Yep. Okay, so far, an excellent idea. Cookie cutters, brownies, stack them up, cut out the little... Did you just eyeball that?
Eyeball what?
The cut for the smaller one.
Yeah, I sure did.
Use the big cutter to cut a little piece.
Yeah, big cutter to cut a little piece out.
Now you've got a little broken piece there too, so.
That's okay. It'll just squish together. And if it doesn't fit quite right, they squish. You can squish them. So.
And fill it with what?
Yeah. No, I'm sorry.
If you've got some extra space, fill it with icing or fill it with.
Brownie or icing.
Brownie.
Yeah, take your pick.
If there's any brownie extras left.
Yep.
Okay.
So far, so good. Everyone all right?
Yeah.
I'm thinking it's going to be 2 and 2 and 5 is what I'm thinking it's going to be.
Okay. Do you remember what it was the first time you did it?
Probably. That's probably what it was. Yeah. Probably close to that. I'm going to get it out of here. It's not, you see how it doesn't, I don't know if you can tell, that it doesn't quite, it's not going to be quite rounded. Guess what? It doesn't matter. You guys know me. I don't sweat the small stuff. It doesn't quite make it. It's close enough.
Good.
That's what frosting's for.
That's right.
I am going to use some of this excess here. So
all right.
Michael will have to wait.
All right.
Until I'm done.
That's good. I'm eating right now, so I'm a happy
he's
guy.
a happy man. I won't be using all of it, that's for sure. So, okay, definitely wanted that extra one up there because I want a little bit of height, and I is it? That might be a little high. We'll see. I can't remember how high I made this. Just can't remember.
So you can actually choose the height of your boot.
Oh, yeah.